Northern Paiute language. Lesson 27. Going to be talking about husbands, wives, sweethearts, and friends. Yesh, haga'e, or haga'e is who or who are you, but who are or who is your, like ... who is talking about someone else. So also remember when we say haga'e, we're implying you're asking someone name and origin. Haga'e. Okay, so vocabulary review. To say husband, we say guma, guma. Wife is norigwa, norigwa. To be married, non norigwarop, non norigwarop, or non notigwarod, non norigwarod. Either or, you just got to hear the difference. Non norigwarop, non norigwarod means you became married. Okay, your sweetheart is a heidze. That's whether it's your boyfriend or your girlfriend's sweetheart, the one you're intending to marry. Heidze, heidze. Now, people that are sweethearts, na heidze, na heidze. Friend, ba'a, ba'a. Our friends, na ba'a, na ba'a. Okay, so now let's get a little more personal with our nimurui. Hanoteme. Hanoteme means of which place, people are you. So getting to our husbands and wives, sweethearts and sweethearts. Okay, Yahoo. Pija nan norigwarod. Pija nan norigwarod. It means nice and are happily married. Because they're just all happy with hearts. Pija nan norigwarod. Okay, but we're talking about introducing, answering the question of hanote, and haga, who is the person. So the man, his information is, I am a clover eater, and my wife is a trout eater. So in Nime, we would say, the Sunana would say, Ne posira rika, in norigwa bono, agairikare. Ne posira rika, in norigwa bono, agairikare. Notice first person is deka, third person is dekare. Sumogotni yesh. This is the woman's, how she would do it. Ne agairika, igoma bono, posira rikare. Ne agairika, igoma bono, posira rika, or posira rikare. So this guy's name is Ralph. This lady's name is Laura. He's from Posira and she's from Agai. So if the woman was to introduce herself and her guma using all this information, we would say, or she would say, Ne Laura minaniare, or Ne Laura minania, Agaireka, Ishubana, Iguma, Ralph minaniare, Posira de Kare. And when the man, the nana, introduces self and norigwa, it's a new Ralph minania, posida rika, ishubana, in norigwa, Laura minaniare, agairika, agairikare. Again, new Ralph minania, posida rika, ishubana, in norigwa, Laura minaniare, agairikare. Tugi, and Yahoo. Bijana Heidze. Bijana Heidze means happily together as boyfriend and girlfriend. Naheidze. Okay, and so this guy, the young man, or the Purinana or Tuivits, is called Pete. And Ishu Sirim or Purimogotni is called Kelly. Pete is from Poga, and Kelly is from Onabi. So with that information, the lady, Sumogotni, she's going to say, I am a salt eater, and my boyfriend is a sunflower eater. We would say, she would say, Ne onarika, ihedze ibono, pogairikare. Ne onarika, ihedze ibono, pogairikare. Tugi. Sunanayesh, and then the man would say, Ne pogairika, ihedze ibono, onarikare. Ne pogairika. Ihedze ibono. Onarikare. Yaho. Pijana bua. Pijana bua. So here is some good friends. Happily friended people. Children. Tsa'a Nazi. So tsa'a. So the girl is going to say, I am called Mia. I am a fly larva eater. And this is my friend. He's called Max. He's a fish eater. How do we say that? Or how would she say that in Nima? So tsa'a says, Nimia minania. Kudzabidika. Ishubana'a. Ishubana'a. Iba'a. Max minaniare. Pakwidikare. Again, Nemia minania, Kudabidaka, Ishubana, Ibaa, Max minaniare, Paquidakare. See, I am called Mia, Mona Laker, and this Ishubana is my Baa, Ibaa. Max minaniare, he's called Max, he's a Paquidakare. Then the knot says, Ne Max minania, Paquidaka. Ishubana o ibaa, mia mi naniare, kudabidekare. Notice how the nania changes to naniare. Nania, first and second person, naniare, third person. Deka'a, first and second person. Dekare, third person. So we say, nu max mi nania, paquideka. Ishubana o, ibaa, mia mi naniare, kudabidekare. Tugi. So that word bana, we went over that in the earlier lessons of like bana, like and you, but it means and also. It demonstrates a contrast between two parties while keeping them connected. For instance, I am this and he is that. I like this and he likes that. I am called this and she is also called this. So that's what the ishubana. And this one is such and such. I am this, I am called this, and she is called this or that. So just an another example sentence. We'll just read it. Nu jim minania minania. Ishubana o jil minaniad. That should be nania. Nu jim minania. Ishubana o jil minaniad. Which means I am called Jim, Ishubana, and this one is called Jill. So it's two people in the same subject, but contrasting them. I am this way, and this one is this way. Nubijeya, Ishubana, Squihoni. Nubijeya, Ishubana, Squihoni. I am well, and this one is just however. So two people together, one is good, and the other one is contrast using bana, and this one is just however. Inaa kudabikwete. Ipiabana pamiwede. Inaa kudabikwete. Ipiabana pamiwede. My father is one of Mona Lake, and my mother is one of the West. Ipiabana and my mother. So that's the connector, but the contraster at the same time. Yesh. This is my older brother, and this is my older brother's wife. How do we say that in Nima? But anyway, we're going to add a little more information. So this is my older brother, and older brother is Bobby. And this is my older brother's wife, which would be Ibabi Inorigua. In English, we put apostrophe S. In Paiute, it's just the order. Ibabi Inorigua, my brother's wife. She's called Laura, an acorn eater. So how would I say this in Nima? Ishu Ibabi, Mike Minaniade. Ishubana Ibabi Inorigua. Laura Minaniade. Wiarekade. Ishu Ibabi. Mike Minaniade. Ishubana Ibabi Inorigua. Laura Minaniade. Wiarekade. Notice when I'm referring to both of these in the third person, I'm talking to you about who they are. So they both end in naniade and dekare. Okay, yesh. This is my older sister. Older sister is called Hama'a. And this is my older sister's husband, which would be Ihama'a Guma. All right. And he is a caterpillar eater. So how would we say all of this in Nime? We say Ishu Ihama'a Mali Minaniere. Ishubano, and this one, Ihama'a Guma, Larry Minaniere, Piagadekare. Ishu Ihama'a Mali Minaniere. Ishubano, Ihama'a Guma, Larry Minaniere, Piagadekare. Tugi. Yes, this Wa'its, and then this Tubizotni. Who are they? This is my younger brother. Younger brother is Wana'a. And this is my younger brother's girlfriend, which would be Iwana'a Hedze. All right, so he's my younger brother. This is my younger brother's girlfriend. She's called Jane, and she's a fly larva eater. Yesh, how do we say that in Nima? Ishu Iwana'a, John Minaniade. Ishubana'a, Iwana'a Hedze. Jane Minaniade. Kudabi de Kade. Again, Ishu Iwana'a, John Minaniade. Ishubana'a, Iwana'a Hedze. Jane Minaniade. Kudabi de Kade. All right, and now this is my younger sister. Younger sister is called Sally. And this is my little sister's husband. So this is Ipuni'i Guma. Little sister's husband, Ipuni'i Guma. Chuck, he's from Bishop. How do we say this in Nima? All right. Ishu Ipuni'i. Sally Minaniad. Ishubana'a Ipuni'i Guma. Chuck Minaniad. Pitanawad. Pitanawad. Again, Ishu Ipuni'i. Sally Minaniad. Ishubana'a Ipuni'i Guma. Chuck Minaniad. Pitanawad. Tugiya. Yeshime. Practice introducing yourself and your significant other, but also practice introducing other couples and friends. My brother, my brother's wife, my sister's husband, my son's friend, all such kind of combinations. That's your practice. Matno. End of lesson 27.